Now on this project, we're changing all of the windows and doors, the siding, the roof. But one of the trickiest things is the windows and doors. You want to triple check your window order because every little detail matters. Interior color, exterior color, which panel on a door slides, which one doesn't. If they're casement windows that crank out, double hungs that go up and down. All of these details need to be right down, crossed, perfect. So that's what we're doing now. We're gonna do a final sign off line by line and make sure that this window order is perfect before we place the order. Now, a lot of times in the shower, people will have like a shampoo box, something built into the wall where they can put shampoo and soap, and those are awesome. But if they're on an exterior wall, we are definitely gonna nail through that, break the tile, and it's just an unnecessary expense to our homeowner. So we wanna find those during our pre-production meeting.